Today we are using Bournvita to make choco hearts or choco balls. It's really a tasty and unbelievably easy recipe, and we are going to use really less ingredients to make it. So let's quickly move on to the recipe. I have kept a pan on gas and we will pour 1/4 cup of water and half cup of sugar in it. Let's mix both the things properly. We will keep the flame on medium to high and we will stir it continuously till sugar dissolves in water. Sugar has completely dissolved in water. Now we will turn the flame on low and we will let it cook for another 2-3 minutes and keep stirring it. And now our sugar syrup is ready. As you can see the consistency. It is 1 string sugar syrup. Now we are adding half teaspoon of lemon juice, and don't worry, it will not give sour flavor to our chocolates. It will just stop the sugar syrup from crystallizing. Let's mix it properly. And now we will add 1 tablespoon of butter in it. Keep stirring it till butter melts completely. And now we are adding 2.5 tablespoons of milk powder. If you don't have milk powder, you can replace it with rice flour, and even if you don't have rice flour, you can just grind the rice in mixer jar and make fine powder out of it, and then you can add it. And now we will add half cup of Bournvita, or you can take the smallest pack of Bournvita which comes for 30 rupees. And we will mix all the things thoroughly and keep stirring it to avoid getting any lumps. It will take 3 to 4 minutes on low flame to make it smooth. So just keep stirring it. As you can see, it is looking so smooth now, just looking like chocolate ganache. So I've already turned off the flame. And here we have a silicone heart-shaped mold. So let's fill it with our chocolate ganache. Tap it twice or thrice. And we will keep it inside refrigerator for half an hour. If you don't have heart-shaped mold, you can make choco balls with your hands like this. We will keep these also in refrigerator. It's been half an hour and we took out our chocolate from fridge, and it's really easy to demold them from a silicone tray. They are looking so beautiful, and trust me, they are tastier than they are looking. So do try this recipe at your home. I'm sure you're gonna love it, and the best part is it will take only 4 to 5 minutes to make it. So share your experience with me in comment section. How did you find this recipe? And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such easy, tasty and quick recipes. Tap on the bell icon too, so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new recipe. So that's it for today. We will catch up again really soon.